Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making rice pudding or zitchilia. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the rice pudding. You will need 1/4 cup of calrose rice soaked in water for half an hour, 1 cup of milk, 1 to 1.5 cups of boiling water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And this is how your rice pudding should look like. Add some crushed pistachios or sprinkle some cinnamon and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!